Seems proper. Josh's truck is in the shop getting fixed because a deer ran into it. So, grandpa truck, at least we have it. Okay. Oh, snap. Things are dirty now. Whoa. It's been a while. Oh, no. I think I forgot the other batteries for my camera.
ATM gear to match his Husky.
Oh, my gosh.
Go get your batteries.
Anyway, it's been months since we have ridden. It's literally thundering right now. Months since we have ridden at Tim Houston National Forest because Josh broke his ribs like July 5th when we were at Cycle Land, and then he just like kind of chilled out until we went to Colorado a couple weeks ago, and now he's like 90% healed, and we're just gonna take it easy today. Anyway, my chariot awaits. Hi. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited? No, Josh is excited. Nail check after the ride, and after getting everything geared up,
You've gotten better.
they're done for, ladies. Oh, Lauren, I need you to touch them up. Oh, good ride in the rain, soaking wet.
Oh, you're doing much better.